all, brother.
Yeah, even brother, you don't believe me. Like I talked around 500 to 600 people. I talk, and some guy, some person, they talk about, brother, how do we learn English language? How do we talk? How do we create atmosphere? How do we understand? So always I tell, like, depend on you. You know that how to we learn an English language, but you do not convince yourself like this is good way, this is bad way. If I try to read a book, if I try to watch a movie, if I try to practice more, then I will, learn automatically. I will learn myself. But we do not convince ourselves. We always give excuses. We always give a, like, some kind of, we can say, like, immediately change the topic. For
Okay.
example, if I tell you, like, hey brother, I'm learning an English language, so please tell me, how do I create atmosphere? How do I find a partner? How do I learn English language? Then
Yeah, it's a
I know that. I know that what is the reason and how do I learn English language, because I saw many videos, I heard about many things, I talk with stranger people, but I do not work myself. So how do I learn myself? We always manipulate ourselves, brother. This is reality. We do not try to enforce ourselves. We always, but always we try to manipulate ourselves. This is reality, brother.
yes, yes, it happened, brother, because everyone said, and you know that every tutor has said you can listen, you can watching the video, you can means doing the practice again, but yourself and the myself also, I'm not doing the anything. How can come the results?
Yes. See,
Yeah,
like,
that
if I tell you one good example, like if you practice, do you know football? Maybe you know that. Like,
yeah, yeah,
first time, if you try to play football, then definitely you feel too weird. You feel to get a too much problem. You didn't get a like proper goal. You uncomfortable over there. But same thing, if you practice 1 month regular basis, like just kick the ball, kick the ball, kick the ball, you will get an idea. You will get a like technique how to goal a ball, how to kick a ball, and what is a structure, what is a rule and regulation. So same thing language also. I'm not talking about English, I'm talking about any kind of language. If you learn, if you at least if you try, automatically you will get a structure, rule and regulation. If you talk about rule and regulation means what, like grammar structure and framing sentence, and how to be talking, how to be speak politely, how to make a long conversation, depend on your struggle, brother, depend on your practice.
yeah, yeah. Got it, brother. I got it,
Yeah.
and I will try our best, and I will give our best, brother. Because
Right now we are having a conversation, we are learning, this is our first stage, we can say. We are
yeah, yeah,
beginner here. No anyone perfect to English language. Even I'm also learning. I'm also learning from your side. Like you have a good story. You talk about, like, I want to become a lawyer and advocate XYZ. So I'm learning from your side. Like, what do you mean by lawyer? What kind of their job, government section, private section. So I'm learning from your side. So if you elaborate yourself in front of people, your friend circle, your family circle, your colleague, your neighbor, automatically you will work yourself. This is good way to learning a English language without any cost, without any sacrifice, without any something, without any payment. This is
yeah,
free of
yes.
cost. We are learning.
Yeah, because I know that, brother. And nowadays, everywhere you can do anything, because nowadays lots of opportunity. I see that, because before and now lots of opportunity we have to doing the anything. Like we can think and we can doing the anything. Whatever comes to our mind, the now I can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
So
That's why I know that.
always think about positive, and always try to say, tell yourself, like, I can do it.
Yeah, yeah. I am also be positive, brother, because I want to the positive.
One word we can call, victory is beyond fear.
Yes, yeah, victory is beyond fear. Yeah, it's
This
good
sentence,
comfort.
if I try to tell Hindi version, so what do you mean by, do you know,
Yeah,
डर
yeah.
के आगे जीत है.
ये जीत है. Yeah, sure, brother.
Victory is beyond fear. So always just think about, if you try to afraid, scared, then you will never learn. It's
Yeah, yeah.
okay, right now you are afraiding, it's okay, but what next? After, if you try, if you solve your problem, it's going to it's going to easy everything. So same thing, English, don't be afraid, don't be like hesitation, don't be fear. It's okay, this is just a language, just think about, this is just language, not knowledge, anything. I talk lots of people, brother, and everyone suffering this kind of problem about English language. Even I was also thinking, but right now I can say this is just language, it's okay. If I make a mistake, it's okay, I will learn more.
Yeah,
So
brother.
always
Also,
think,
it happened
yeah.
with me when I was starting the English. That time, I have lots of effort and lots of hesitations that time.
Mhm.
But now I have the clear and the some, because I want to practice. I have been going on practice. Its result comes the like the remove the hesitation, remove the shyness also now, brother.
Yes, yes, right.
And it happened with me.
Yeah, whenever we try to make a video call, we can destroy our fear, hesitation, we can make a eye contact, we can see our body, body action, our expression, our lips part, like how he and she deliver a content and story, and like same thing. So we
Yeah,
are
yeah.
learning, we are helping each other. This is good way, brother. Seriously, this is good way, and I love to learning this way, brother. I'm happy, I'm satisfied, and I'm enjoying this. Is seriously, I'm
Yes, yes.
enjoying.
Yeah, brother, I know that because before I also talked to you, I know that you are very enjoy for the learning and you enjoy for in the English language also.
So anyway, brother, come to the point, please. If you have any something regarding about English language, like so, please tell me. It's going to help my friend circle, my people, my like YouTuber friend circle. So if you have a something story, something sentence important, so please share with me in this video. Yeah.
Yes, okay. I would like to tell about the English, how to learn English as a beginner, as a level of the middle
Mhm.
part. That's and the fluency English. How to come the fluency English, because we are practice, then we can the fluent, but we know that we cannot go to the means grammar parts. Grammar part is a very wide. We are going through the easy grammar. You are learn the easy grammar, and then also the means your English is a very fluent. And everyone said that, every tutor said that speaking, writing, listening, and the practice, it's a very good things for the learning and as a beginner.
Yeah, brother.
And and the one thing happened with me, it's a totally true story, because when because everyone the 18 year 15 years they want to learn English, they want to speak English. But one thing happened with someone. He 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 is like the fear of the English. He is like the means is stumbling. First time he's stumbling. And
Yeah.
yeah, thereafter the lots of shyness there, because how to say my family, and the what to say my friends, because it's not, it doesn't matter how to and
Right.
what to say family and the friends, because you are as a learner, you are become a good speaker, then you are a good motivator, and you have the means lots of opportunity in the become.
Yeah, right.
One what is substitution for the as a English learner, they can practice, lots of practice, because
Yes.
without sacrifice we cannot learn anything.
Yeah.
Our life, we can do the sacrifice with the learn English, and we can learn the vocab, and we can practice the writing as well as the like the speaking. Whatever you come your minds, and you can write down in the page.
Mhm. Yeah, right, right.
Regarding to my knowledge, and I know that because I have facing a lots of problems with the English. But I now I am not so much good, but now I am
Yeah.
something good at the English language.
Yeah,
It's
yes.
uh,
Yeah, right now we can say, brother, like we are not perfect English language, but we can easily communicate each other.
yes,
So
yes,
this is, we can say, power of straight, how do we call, like power of spirit, we can call, because
yeah,
we
yeah,
are trying to destroy our fear. And fear is like everyone have a same problem, brother. Everyone have a fear and hesitation. Everyone thinking about, like they do not think about ourselves, they always think about society.
society, yeah,
circle. Yeah, always
yeah.
they think about like, if I try to communicate with the stranger, with friend circle, with family, with a teacher, brother, sister, whatever, people try to judge, or people, society tell about like you should learn. Always the this thing they keep in a mind, we can say. That's why reason we do not get a fluency, we do not explain more. Always we, try to blame us, we try to go depression, we think about like this is tough job for me, it's too much problem, I can't do that. That's why reason lots of people give up easily, they
It
do not learn,
happen.
you know.
Whatever you think, that the result will become the what, whichever and the whatever you think in your mind, and thereafter also same type of the result will become.